everybody, and welcome back to the channel. If you've seen in the last video, I had to rip off the e-brake out of here, and I got new calipers for these because they're pretty roached. So I'm gonna get to that, and I'll get you guys set up, and we'll get going. There's a wedge.
So yeah, lots of crazy things happening there, and we'll touch on all that again periodically throughout the spring.
My foot ain't big enough.
This is what the trees look like right now in Stockton, Illinois, 10 miles from the Wisconsin border. Granted, we don't use power. Thanks for doing what we do.
I'll just have to torque them down when it's on the ground.
Like it's starting to get a little bit icy.
Just make sure they're all tight.
You get a half inch on top of that, you definitely will be.
Alright, we'll move to the next side. Repeat this process again. But yeah, I'm gonna have to get a new set of lug nuts for this. There's that wheel spacer, rotor. Oh, gotta get the thread locker on there. You guys are supposed to remind me.
This is, once again, over the next, I don't know, 5-6 hours or so, this is when some of the heaviest snow will fall for some of these areas. So please send in your snow reports as the snow falls. Videos, pictures, it's all.
Come on, I just need one more.
And we'll show it all.
There we go. I gotta get some more of that. Alright, where's the new lug nuts at?
Thanks for being a member for
That's where I grabbed them.
I hope y'all are ready for your
I did.
Hey, listen,
Let me grab the lug nut.
the first video or photo of a grocery store void of bread or milk. Now, whenever these big snowstorms come through, waist deep snow.
Oh, stay in those little retainer things. All right. So that goes on there, like so. Grab the bolts.
Keeping an eye on that St. Charles blue snow. What's the future track on it?
Come on,
just
red.
Continue to pretty much go east, northeast.
Here she goes. One more here.
So it started really coming together back here. You see it traverse all the way up to St. Louis now. Expand a little
Good
bit.
deal. Now we need the 21.
It'll make it the Greenville.
How's
It's
that?
impossible to tell you exactly what it's going to look like when it gets there.
Should be this one here.
But it will make it there.
And it is.
Heavy rain and some of the severe and strong winds that you do not move into things like Hazelwood and Ferguson and Florissant and a great part of Juco as well.
Click.
And we still have some severe thunderstorm warnings, or only severe thunderstorm warnings right now, actually. Rain down in Southern,
Come on.
We're getting ready to see this storm coming through this corner in Platteville.
Quick.
Pretty well there.
All right, I gotta get this
Look at how fast it's moving. You see a little shelf cloud here?
thing off of there.
This is in the radar Omega app. You can see very clearly. It
Yeah,
comes
it's
through.
like
Looks like there's some water or something on the lens.
Should be one way around here somewhere. All right. Just gotta get that to break free. Kind of an awkward spot to have it to break it free, but I can get it to wedge somehow, like I did the other side, like that. Here we go. Alright. That's leaking, so I want to hurry up and get this all prepped and ready.
I'm going to show that again. This is 4.8 million people out here in places like St. Louis, Paducah, Kentucky.
Oh, this phone's ringing. Let me get some lube on these pins.
Memphis, it's going to be great. Great weather in Memphis.
If you don't do this, these things will rust right up in there.
A little bit of
You'll never get them back off.
squall line come through.
Well, you
here
will,
for
but
the next couple of
it just
hours.
makes things so much harder.
But it's going to be. I don't think
No
that
sense
we have
making
too
things
much
harder
to
on
worry
yourself,
about
you know what I mean? You
It
don't
could
have
make
to.
for some pretty cool cloud formations. If you want to go look at a cool cloud, go outside in about a couple hours.
And there's the hole all the way up there. Alright, that one's started.
There it is.
A little much.
It's milk and bread time. He's got the milk and the bread.
The
and
bolts
syrup.
don't slide,
This is
but
milk
the
sandwich.
bushing that they're on slides, but that's all brand new, so we don't have to grease that
Milk
yet.
sandwiches are the new hot chocolate. Like it's that kind of, like that's how much cultural influence it has.
Alright, what size were those? I believe they were.
Rice Lake, Wisconsin update, Northwest Wisconsin.
Oh, where the heck did it go? Is it this one? Sure is. Alright, I can get to that. Bottom one right there. Ooh, wrong way.
So currently in Rice Lake, a big old bunch of nothing.
I'm gonna have to get an extension to reach past the leaf springs.
But just like places like Minnesota, Minneapolis, St. Paul, Rochester, Eau Claire, all these places to your south that are seeing the expansion of this new snow, in the same area. it's going to start pouring the snow.
There's that one.
And
Alright,
you
where's
see
the
our camera here in,
little package of crap that's supposed to come with this?
Missouri has been officially overtaken
There it
by
is.
that storm. And
New
I mean,
bolt
just look
and
at
stuff.
how intense this is. It doesn't look like it's that, I guess, potent on radar, but at least for 5 minutes as it goes through, it is going to pack a punch. Well, look, we had a 31.
I wonder if this one's
mile
gonna
an
be
hour
stuck
wind
on there
gust as
too. Ooh, that's pouring. Ah, better hurry.
Grandson enjoying the snow here in Big Rapids, Michigan. Looks like about two inches.
Oh, wrong way.
2 gallons of snow so far. Thanks for sending that in. $75 degrees in Princeton, Kentucky. It got to 82 here, but for some reason right now it's 80. We dropped 2 degrees. A big cloud was going over.
Where's that ratchet? Is that the same size
I
as
don't
that
know.
too?
I'm in a box. Like I have no idea
Oh,
if
no,
it's
that's not it.
daylight, dark
Oh,
outside.
there it is.
We have no clue who's running.
Get it to stop leaking.
We like to keep it darker in here.
All right.
It just makes
Paper
makes the
towels.
video look better.
Dry this up. Oops.
Still going.
Dry this all up down here so I keep bumping you guys. Sorry. Dry all this up, make sure nothing's leaking. Clean up the floor so I can see when it starts dripping. Alright, I'll crack that bleeder.
Help us tell the weather story here.
I think that's the same size as the
By
other
the way,
ones
we've
too.
got 3 storm chasers now. We got Bryce Shelton, who's in Michigan. We got Brett Adair in Indiana, and Brandon Clement in Minnesota.
Alright, when that starts dripping, see if we can get you guys right up in there. Probably not. Once that starts dripping, close it off.
Perfect. I really wanted to do that. But also, I am like just south, like literally a mile north. Sorry, I'm just north of the snow band that's coming in.
Oh, I see drips.
Now, so
You guys see it?
I
I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know how well these damn GoPros work. And she's leaking.
Awesome. Yeah, that sounds good.
Snug that back up.
Yeah, so Andy's in Minneapolis. So he's basically he's storm chasing from home today. He's just gonna be able to look out and tell us what's going on out there and all that good stuff. It's gonna be great.
And there we go. Put that rubber cap back on there for now.
Judy says my daughter
Till I bleed 'em.
says
Now I can
she
get
has
this
her
wheel back on there.
snowshoes ready.
Alright guys, that's gonna wrap this up. We got the new brakes on there. Well, not pads and rotors or anything. Those were all pretty new anyway. Got new calipers on. Wheel spacers all fixed, studs fixed. Oh, I'm out of breath. Everything's done. I just gotta throw fluid in the transmission, do an oil change, and get it out of here. Alright, until next time, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.